Here we're going to look at higher order functions. Now, higher order functions are functions that take an argument as a function, or they return a function as a result. We're going to explore three different functions here. We're going to look at the map function, the filter function, and the fold function. To begin with then, we will look at map. What map does is it applies a function to all elements within a list. So in this scenario, we are going to multiply each of our elements by 2 given in our given list here. So we've got the times 2 function here, and we're going to apply it to this list here with these values in, and it will return a list of those values but now doubled. Let's now try another one. So we're going to do map. Let's do this time we're going to do succeeding value, and we're going to apply that to the list 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 again, and it will now add 1 to each of our items in the list. So that's the map function. The next one is the filter function. What this does is it applies a function to a list that meets the certain criteria of the function and then returns a subset of that list. So in this one, we are going to just choose all the odd numbers within our list, and it will return a subset of the list with just the odd numbers. We could do the same thing with even, and obviously we return the even numbers. We'll try another example here. Filter. Now we're going to apply function greater than 2 to our list. So this will now return a subset of our list of just the values that are greater than 2. The final function I'm going to look at is fold. There are two different versions of this within Haskell. There's fold L and fold R. The difference is the order in which you evaluate them. So I'll demonstrate this using fold L, but you can apply this to fold R as well. So fold L, we have our function. So what we're going to do, what fold L and fold R do, what fold does, is that it returns a single value from a data structure. So in this scenario, what we're going to do is we're essentially going to create a sum function that's going to add up all the values in our list. So we have our operator here, or our function here. It's going to add up all our values. And we've also got an additional value here. So this is the value that's going to be added when our list is empty. So when we're applying the recursion to this, when our list is empty, that's the value we can add to our final result. And then now we have our list here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this application of fold is essentially the same as the sum, adds up a list of items in our list. So you can see that because it's 15. So we'll do another one as well for good measure. So fold L again, and we'll do, this time we'll create the product of the items in our list. So there's multiply, and again we use 1 on this occasion, because if we're multiplying by 0 at the end, everything will be 0. So we multiply by 1 at the end, and then we do this as well. So now we're going to multiply those numbers together, and you can see it will return us 120. So 3 higher order functions there: map, filter, and fold, and you can use them in all sorts of different places within your functional programs.